but honestly, it's the best, just like that. Carnivore Girl's Creative Carnivore Kitchen. No plants, no dairy, the next level cooking show. Carnivore recipes with meat, fish, seafood, eggs, gelatin, flavored seltzer, water, and salt. From super easy to complicated, from quickly done to many hours in the kitchen. I always say everybody's body and brain are different, and you gotta figure out what works best for you. The carnivore lifestyle has tremendous benefits, healing effects, and is the best elimination diet. There are many different ways how to do carnivore. I found a way that momentarily works the best for me. In this cooking show, I'll show you it doesn't have to be boring and can be very creative, delicious, and fun. I already created so many carnivore recipes on Instagram at carnivorgirl. And I have this never-ending list on my phone with tons of ideas. My brain is a gift and a curse. Have fun with this episode! Welcome to my Creative Carnivore Kitchen, another episode of carnivore ingredients. Today, my dough, meat dough, fish dough, seafood dough, just like the meat dough. Super easy. 150 grams of raw beef, raw chicken, raw lamb, raw fish, raw shrimp, whatever, and 4 grams of gelatin powder, and maybe a little bit of water. That's it. So for the chicken dough, I have here 150 grams of chicken breast, and I already cut it in small pieces. Sorry. So I put it in here, 150 grams. And here I have 4 grams of gelatin. Here my gelatin powder. And a little bit of liquid. I just use regular, filtered water. You can use some broth or whatever. It depends how smooth you want your dough. And yes, I could get the big blender and blend it in the big machine, but I hate cleaning that one, so I usually just blend with the hands, with the hand blender. Totally works. So the gelatin, so it mixes it well. I mix it like this first, so it's not all just the gelatin stuck on my blender. So kind of mix it in, a little bit of water. It depends how watery your meat is, your fish or whatever you use, and yeah, what consistency you want. So you want to add more or less water. So, and here is my chicken dough ready to go for whatever I want to use it. And I think I put it depends what I want to do. I put maybe a little bit too much water in it because I want to use it tomorrow and I want to roll it out. So I'm gonna put it between saran wrap and then just roll it out. I also use it for taco shells, so then that's like perfect for that, I feel. Then I just put it in here and kind of spread it out, or you can even make it more liquidy to put in the pan, so whatever consistency you want. But so for me, I'm gonna use that tomorrow, and for right now I'm just gonna put it in a Tupperware, in a container, and put it in the fridge until I use it. Here I show you the beef dough. This is 150 grams of raw beef. It's IF round. I usually use very lean beef for the dough, just because. And I cut it in very small pieces already. And here my 4 grams of gelatin powder. Oh yeah, some salt, of course. Well, you don't have to use salt, but you know me, I'm a salty person. So, and I'm gonna add a tiny bit of water. I can always add more. Here you go, beef dough. Super cool, you can really knead it. It's, yeah, look, it's really like a dough, super cool. You can roll it out between saran wrap, use it as pizza dough, or whatever you come up with, roll something else in it. Beef dough. Salmon dough, like always, 150 grams of meat, here salmon meat, without skin. And like always, gelatin, 4 grams. So, and we can add a little bit of water if you want, but hey, I'm drinking mango flavored seltzer right now, so why not using this? Of course, I forgot the salt. Oh my gosh, how could I forget the salt? Here is the salmon dough. Of course, just use it like any other of my doughs, the beef dough, the chicken dough, whatever dough. But honestly, it's the best, just like that. I mean, as a kid, didn't you love to eat dough? I used to. This, oh my gosh. I mean, it's just raw salmon and gelatin, salt, a little bit of the seltzer water. I don't taste the mango, by the way, but so much better like this. It's like a spread. And look, it's like, because of the gelatin, like it's super cool. And you can spread it on something, and really, don't bake it, don't cook it, just eat it like that. The last dough I want to show you, calamari. I have here calamari steaks, and I've never done a calamari dough before, so I'm excited. I'm gonna cut those in little pieces, and I'm gonna weigh out 150 grams. Here's already ready, 4 grams of beef gelatin. So 150 grams here, gelatin, 4 grams, some salt. I want to use sea salt. So the calamari, I defrosted it, and it's still, I'm pretty sure it has enough liquid. I'm not gonna add any liquid for now. Okay, with my last example of a meat dough here, calamari meat, I'm gonna show you what I usually do. So I have my meat dough. I'm just gonna show you on a little piece here. I put my meat dough here, but it's very, you see, it's really chlapperig, sticky. And then I like parchment paper on the bottom and saran wrap on top, because then I can see what I'm actually doing. And I can roll it out. So, ta-da! And I could like bake it or something. And also like, this is a bit the harder part. But I can get it off, so now I could put it in a pan. Thanks for watching. If you try out this recipe, please tag me and let me know how you like it. Subscribe, share, like, comment, follow me on Instagram @carnivorgirl. See you next week in my next episode of Carnivore Girl's Creative Carnivore Kitchen. No plants, no dairy, the next level cooking show.